What's going on, guys? It's Martin. Today I'm going to quickly talk to you about the symptoms of hemorrhoids. The symptoms you may be experiencing will depend a lot on the type of hemorrhoid you have. I have a whole video where I go into in-depth detail about the types of hemorrhoids. I will quickly address that right here. As you can see, this is a diagram of your anal region, and this would be an internal hemorrhoid. This would be an internal hemorrhoid. Basically, an internal hemorrhoid starts on the inside of the anal wall, and it's above the anus. So it's up here. They start up here. Whereas an external hemorrhoid is on the outside of the anus. That's where they start. So you either have an internal or an external hemorrhoid. So once again, this is an internal hemorrhoid. You can see here, this huge thing is a prolapsing internal hemorrhoid. Basically, a prolapsing internal hemorrhoid pops out of your anus. These can be extremely problematic, oftentimes require surgery. Hopefully, you do not have one of those. If you do, I feel bad for you. I feel for you. The external hemorrhoid, oftentimes, you'll feel irritation, burning, itching. Sometimes they can bleed. External hemorrhoids are really bad. They're the type of hemorrhoid you're going to want to use an ointment and a wipe on. You definitely will want to use an ointment and a wipe for an external hemorrhoid. Use them both. Make sure you are not wiping with rough toilet paper. It's the worst thing you can do for external hemorrhoids. Now, if your internal hemorrhoid's up here and it hasn't prolapsed, oftentimes you won't even have any symptoms, okay? Very frequently, the first symptom will be small spots of blood when you're wiping after a bowel movement. So occasionally, the prolapsed hemorrhoid will, the internal hemorrhoid will prolapse, and this is where you can get some bad symptoms with internal hemorrhoids. They can itch, they can be, irritated. It can hurt when you have a bowel movement. It can irritate it when you have a bowel movement. Bowel movement can also irritate the external hemorrhoid too. So you're going to want to make sure, the big thing is make sure that you're using a hemorrhoid wipe, a hemorrhoid ointment, and also I recommend you use this hemorrhoid supplement called Hemorrhoid Boss. It's awesome. You can get it at hemorrhoid.com or on Amazon. Great product for hemorrhoids, something you are absolutely going to want to use with the hemorrhoid wipe and the hemorrhoid ointment. So yeah, that's basically it. Those are the symptoms of hemorrhoids: irritation, burning, bleeding, and pain. There's a lot of different things you can do to get rid of your hemorrhoids. I discussed that in some of my other videos, so be sure to check those out. If you have any questions or comments, my name's Martin. Hit me up. I'm the hemorrhoids guy. I know everything there is to know about hemorrhoids. I'm happy to answer your questions. Good luck with your hemorrhoids. Hope you can get rid of them fast. I've had them before. They're awful. Like I said, any questions, let me know.